Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can log out of account on Ring app. So logging out generally means signing out as well. So in this particular video we're going to learn how you can sign out from your account in this particular Ring app. So right now I have an account, you can see, let me just show. So here is my account logged in. So what you need to do is firstly just go to this three lines option on your top left corner, and then you can see there are a lot of options. Out of all this option, what you need to do is not going to settings, but you have to go to account settings like this, and then so you can see here about your account information. So what you need to do is just go all the way down, and then there you'll find the option saying sign out. So just go over there and it will ask you to confirm it, and then confirm it like sign out, and then like this guys. This is how you log out account on Ring app. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any query, just comment down below guys, we'll get back with you. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.